So we're actually going to Mission Barbecue. Never been to Mission Barbecue before.
Same thing you did.
Yeah, this is the final look of the hair, you guys. Hey babes, welcome back to another vlog. Remember, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure you're hitting your post notification bell so every time I post you don't miss an update. So yes, you guys, today is Monday, October 10th. It's my niece's birthday. So we're actually going to Mission Barbecue. Never been to Mission Barbecue before. I definitely live by one and still never been there. Obviously, because I don't really eat that type of stuff. I don't have a problem with eating barbecue. It's just I don't eat pork. So I know they have other stuff there, but yeah. But anyway, we're going to Mission Barbecue, and it's my niece's birthday. I'm sorry, I don't even know how old my niece is turning, but I know she's like in the 7th or 8th grade. So okay, y'all, so I am here. This damn steering wheel, 1 minute to look one way. Okay, but yes, you guys, so I am here now. Just waiting on them to get here. I wonder where they at, because I live in Wisconsin and I got here before they did. So and this one is not where I live at, so and it's actually closer to them, so I'm very shocked that I'm here before they are. So I'm just gonna see where they at. Yo, I'm really loving my look today. The trench, and then I got on this black shirt. These black leggings.
We down this.
Oh, okay, I'm here.
Okay. Well,
it's a parking spot next to me too, so hopefully nobody come. Y'all can park by me.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. See you in a minute.
All right, bye. I mean, I'm trying to figure out, hopefully we can get a booth, because I like sitting at a booth. And I'm so happy that I already used the bathroom and everything, because I don't be liking to use public restrooms. I really don't. I just don't want to. I don't be wanting to. If I have to, I will, but I just don't. Ooh, let me tell y'all this quick little thing. So Rolling Loud, so I went to Rolling Loud in Cali, and oh my gosh, you do so much walking, and literally it's like no like bathrooms for real, because it's like outside and they only have porta potties. Ooh, that's the only thing I can say. That's the only thing I didn't like about Rolling Loud. Now it was definitely cold in Cali for Rolling Loud, but I just say that to say, when you go to Rolling Loud, there's not going to be any bathrooms. So, because I still get like notifications about Rolling Loud, but I already had the experience, so I really don't need to, like, I don't feel the need to go, but I still get the notifications and everything. But yeah, I liked Cali though. Cali was so dope. Definitely want to go back to Cali. But yeah, as you guys see, wearing the brand. I don't want to say too much about it. I just want to show y'all. Just know, like, the new year is, yeah, the new year is a wrap. I cannot wait. I just cannot wait. I haven't finished writing out my goals or anything yet though, as far as how I want to finish out this year. I write goals for the month, but I really want to like write out like goals to finish out for this year. I really want to do that, but I want to clean out my my drawers, because I'm real life cleaning house, because I will be moving out of this apartment, and I'm just manifesting it more and more. Like it's getting to that point. Like my house is never dirty, but it's literally feeling like I just want to just throw things away, because I no longer feel like I want to even decorate. That's how you know when you feel like, that's how you know you over it, when you don't want to be in your crib no more, when you don't even care to do anything else to the house. Like you don't want to do nothing to it. You just want to move, and I'm just at that point. I want to go. But yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna wait here just a few more minutes, and then they should be here. They said they down the street, but you know when black people say they down the street, they really not down the street. But I think they pulling up right now though, so I think they pulling up. I told her she could park by me. But you know I told her she could park by me. But she doing what she wanna do. She gonna park over there. It don't matter. I don't know what she doing. What is she? Oh, she trying to park. Oh, she parking in the front. Oh, she parking in the front. Oh, I normally would park in the front, but I didn't even see that. Okay, it's okay. Okay, y'all, about to go in.
Same thing you did. Whoever got fries, let me try a little bit. Let me get some.
I got it.
Somebody, mama. Well, good. You better have some nephews and nieces.
Good, yeah.
We can play, do that with that.
That's enough?
Yeah, it's good.
Mac and cheese? Okay.
Want to try the sausage? Yeah, if you mix
I'll put it all in.
Stop drinking so fast. Yeah. Dang. Right about it?
No.
Oh, I thought that's what he had said.
The pasta out there.
Hey you guys, so it is the next day. It's actually in the evening. I decided I wanted to make jerk wings for dinner. I love making jerk chicken. I swear I can eat this every other week, honestly, because I'm always making enough for leftovers. So as you guys can see, I'm just seasoning the chicken and everything. And I'm also stirring it with a spoon. I just didn't feel like getting my hands dirty, you guys. Sometimes you just do not feel like it. And I also just grabbed a small pan because, like I said, I will be making this for myself. And then also I will be making it for my meal prep. So I'm just making sure I put the oil on there so the chicken doesn't stick to the pot. And then I will be adding my jerk sauce and then also butter to the chicken just so that when I eat it, it falls right off the bone. Yeah, falls right off the bone. But yes, this is the best jerk sauce, hands down. If you guys know a better jerk sauce, please let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is the spicy jerk sauce, and it's just something about the spicy one. It just hits every time. So I also just made white rice on the side, and then also I made vegetables. I try to eat vegetables almost every day, honestly, but everything turned out really good, you guys. So yeah, this was dinner. Good morning, you guys. I'm about to start work in a couple of minutes here, but I want to make me some coffee, some iced coffee, and fill up my water bottle, and then that'll be it for the morning. And I will also I'm also going to be doing a sponsored video so you guys get to see how the finishing look looks. This video will be out before the hair video, but you guys will get to see how the hair looks on me. I love this color, so you guys will be able to see it. Perfect color for fall. But oh, and then I want to clean out my my drawers because, like I said, you guys, it's to that point. I just want to start cleaning stuff out and making sure I really don't have much to do when I do move out. Like, I'm just doing that now. Like, I don't even care. Okay, you guys, y'all see all this? This is all mess. This is all mess, all paperwork. So yeah, I'm gonna just, yeah, I just want to get rid of it.
Listen, seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away. Passive with the things you say. Passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Listen, hard of feeling trust from a distance. I think we should roll out commitment for now, cause we're falling.
Okay, y'all, so I want to end off this vlog before my camera go dead and everything. But yeah, this is the final look of the hair, you guys. I'm not really into color hair, but it looks really, really good. But yeah, you guys, sorry my camera went dead. I had to charge it because like I said, I have to wrap up this video. And I wanted you guys to see this beautiful hair. You guys, this vlog will be out before this hair video, so make sure that you guys like this video. Make sure you comment below, let me know how you like my hair. You guys love the color. I was supposed to take a content picture today, but honestly, like, it was so much going on. I started making the video and then I ran out of space, and then I had to download the videos that was already in my phone because I haven't actually edited this video yet. So I had to I just had to do a lot, and then it ended up being 7 o'clock already. So I literally have been working all day, okay, and I am exhausted. But yeah, but it's okay though. I got my work done today, so that's what it's all about. I will be taking content pictures for my next hair video though. I will make sure, because you know, I'm really not too much into color. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow my Instagram, Anihja Razheem, and it'll be in the description box below. So make sure you guys check out my Instagram. I'm really pretty much like a girl like that loves black, white, nudes, and you know, color, just colors like that. So I'm really not into hair color, but it looks really good. Like, I really, really love this hair. I do. And I think I did really good. I usually do really good on my installs. But anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Again, make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below. And if you are new, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video.